A Chinese hospital ship is expected to dock at the Falmouth Pier in Trelawney this weekend. The Silk Road Ark set sail from China in September to provide humanitarian medical services. As Jamila Maitland reports, Hurricane Melissa might have sped up its arrival to Jamaica.
These are actual photos of Chinese hospital ship the Silk Road Ark before leaving Beijing on September 5 for a 220-day medical voyage called Mission Harmony 2025. The vessel is expected to visit 12 countries in the South Pacific region, Latin America, and the Caribbean. The Silk Road Ark is reported to have gone to Nauru, Fiji, Tonga, and just recently, Nicaragua. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says no, it's in Jamaican waters.
The Chinese hospital ship, the Ark Silk Road, arrived in Jamaica's territorial waters on November 22nd and is now anchored at the Pedro Keys. It will relocate to the Falmouth Pier this weekend. A total of 104 medical professionals are on board, including 60 doctors, 32 nurses, pharmacists, and technicians.
TVJ News has been reliably informed that the ship was supposed to arrive later in December. However, Dr. Tufton believes the impact of Hurricane Melissa could have sped up the process.
The Office of the Chief Medical Officer is working with them and the team on the ground to find the best and most efficient approach to treating with patients or certainly any other type of clinical support or otherwise logistic support that may be necessary as we seek to build back our facilities.
Dr. Tufton, who was speaking at a special press briefing Thursday morning, says the ship's arrival will help to close gaps caused by Hurricane Melissa and to improve the access to healthcare in the public health sector. Jamaica now has 3 field hospitals in the worst affected parishes, 2 of which are operational. As at November 19, over 1,500 patients have been seen at the facilities in Black River in St. Elizabeth and at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover. Meanwhile, in Savlamar, Westmoreland, there were over 1,200 patients seen, majority of whom were treated for domestic-related injuries from Hurricane Melissa.
A Tier 2 field hospital supported by the government of Barbados is being installed at the Savlamar Hospital as we speak. I will be in that area tomorrow, and we're hoping that by this weekend, we should commission the operation of that facility.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.